Data integration by Flexspring frees HR professionals from manual data entry between apps. No more retyping employee data from app to app. No more downloading CSV files and reformatting them for manual upload. With data connectors from Flexspring, everything connects automatically. Done. How does it work? You call us. Want to take it up a notch? You email us. Seriously, just tell us what app you want to connect, and a data integration expert at Flexspring will provide you with a turnkey or custom data connector that'll fit your unique needs. No internal IT resource required. With Flexspring's integration platform as a service, we take care of everything. This way, you can focus on managing and growing your workforce instead of doing ridiculous manual data entry. Oh, hey, everything's well? That's it. You just call or email Flexspring. We got this.